faster. Can I get up? Yeah, everywhere. Up, down, left, right. Shorty's moving again. Shorty's loose with the pen. Shorty do it to win. Yeah.
All right, boys, this is it. Oh, shoot. Come on, man. Shoot. Oh, man, I should have bought it now, man. Come on, boys. Oh, fuck. That's not good, man. Okay, yeah, that blew my budget right there. I should have clicked the buy now, man. Should have bought it now. Shoot. All right, boys, this is my backup car. Shoot. Jesus. Come on, man, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Freaking bonus time. Oh my goodness. Come on, man, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah. All right, man. Jeez. All right, man. You know, I was going to wait until the end of this documentary to show you how much I'm in this thing for, but as you can see here, my winning bid, $18.50. And, you know, after taxes and fees and all the BS, look at that, $25.28. So I'm about to buy a couple parts for this thing, and, yeah, it doesn't need too much, hopefully. All right, boys, I'm buying some new headlights. This is like a couple seconds after I just won the auction. I just went straight to eBay. I need 2 new headlights because when I went to the yard, both the headlights were cracked. So, yeah, need to buy these ones. $265. About to pay them right now. Alrighty. Booyah. Anyway, man, yeah, same thing here, you know, 2009, 10, 11, Ford parts, you know, black SES grill with emblem, you know, 159, shoot. Yeah, man, 159 bucks, not really the price I'm really used to, you know, because I'm a Civic guy, but still, you know, it's, you got to do what you got to do. Oh, let me not show you my credit card. Yeah, man, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do, you know? I'm here on a freaking spending spree, man. I haven't even paid for the car yet. I have to go to the bank to actually wire transfer the money, because if I use a credit card, it's gonna cost me $100 more, so that'll dent my budget pretty badly. You know? Yeah. Okay, guys, I just paid for the vehicle today, so I did a wire transfer. I just realized today that it's actually a lot better to do a money order. So yeah, I'm gonna do that next time and from the times future. So yeah, as you can see, my winning bid was $18.50. I ended up paying $2,766 for the vehicle because I also need to tow it, get it towed to my house. So yeah, 2766. This car wasn't worth it. I already know it's not worth it, but I mean, I hope it could be worth it later, you know, with what I use it for. So now, after a certain while, when the money goes through and you send it properly and everything, your payment due will go to 0. So yeah, 0, which means I have fully paid for it. You can see right here, I did a money order. I mean, I did a wire transfer. And the wire transfer cost me like an extra $15 in the fees and all that, so yeah. All right, boys. Fast forward a couple, I was about to say a couple years later. It feels like a couple years later, but fast forward a couple weeks later. Here it is, man, the Ford Focus. I've been working on this thing for, man, a while now, and it's just like, this car has no issues mechanically, but I mean, as far as the structure, it has so many issues, you know, for like alignment and things like that. I've been talking about it in videos past that I've been trying to release before, but honestly, the reason I'm doing this right now and I'm not waiting until the car is completely done like I originally planned is just because I have no idea when the hell this car is gonna get done, man, to be honest. This car is just not, just to give you an idea of how it's off, you can see the gap between that light right there. It should be like that. So, I mean, this thing's misaligned right now. I mean, for example, I have this thing zip tied right here for the time being. Yeah, this car has just been a pain in the ass, to be honest. So as long as I've been saying, like, I mean, yeah, you know, do I regret buying this car? No, just because of the learning experience. So now I know that I'll never buy another crash damaged car, at least anytime soon. Yeah, I think I've said in a video before that this crash damaged vehicle is kind of leaving a bad taste in my mouth. Like, it's a good car, you know what I mean? It's a good car, but getting things to come straight, I mean, I pulled out this thing today. I got this new core support, upper core support today, and it's not even fitting right. I put it in, I had to take it back out because it just wouldn't fit right. Just because, you know, these, like the actual mount pieces are all bent in. Like, you can see how mangled this stuff is, man. Like, just look at that. Like, it looks like hell, man. Like, you can see how mangled up this thing is. So, you know, I had to reschedule the delivery of the Cadillac CTS just because I couldn't get this thing straight. So the CTS is gonna have to come in tomorrow, regardless. So, and when that car comes, I'm not gonna stop working on it until I have it done. So, which means this car is gonna be sitting over there for the next couple of weeks until whenever, man. So, you know, I have a few new parts. If you want a lower grille for a 2010 Ford Focus, $20, man, $40. I don't know. I don't really care. I got the old headlights off of it. Those are cracked, so I don't want to hear anybody in the comments being like, "Hey, man, you could have saved those, all right?" The piece of crap headlights, okay? But I got these new eBay headlights. Like, they got this little nice thing right here, like these like little things. They shine pretty well. So anyway, the hood doesn't latch. It's not lined up. Nothing is lined up. Like, you can see right there. This should be like freaking back there, man. Yeah, man, this car's all effed up, man. This car's pretty effed up. I have taken it on a drive so far, actually. I took it on a drive down the neighborhood. The license plates aren't going to come in until next week. I mean, sometime this week, actually. I called COPART, and they said they just sent them in the mail, so, yeah. I like the wheels on the SES things, you know, on the SES model. Yeah, man. See if this thing will start. Yeah. Yeah, it's out of battery. I don't want to plug in the thing just because it's going to run out of battery now. But, yeah, man. Like, this is a good car, just structurally. Like, I mean, I don't know, man. Like, You know, I'm an engineer. I'm supposed to understand how things work, but it's like, gee, man. I mean, as far as geometry, like, I hate this stuff, man. Like, I don't think I've ever successfully fixed a crash damaged vehicle. Like, I've only fixed, like, maybe, like, 1 or 2 crash damaged vehicles properly, you know? And that was, you know, one car that had, like, just, like, a little dent in the fender. I just replaced the fender. And same with the other car, you know, the very first car I bought from COPART, just replaced the fender and the bumper cover, and it was fine. But this one, man, I got these freaking frame rails all out of whack. Like, this thing was sticking, like, out to right here. I mean, it was sticking out like a few inches, man. This thing is not lined up right. Like, I mean, you could see the damn engine bay. Like, when the hood was closed, like, you could see the engine bay through here. It really sucks, man. So this car is going to be out there. It's going to sit. I really don't have a choice. I got to move on with my life. I mean, I'm not really moving on because I still have to address this car. You know, I have to finish it. I don't have a choice. I contemplated parting it out, but that's not an option. I'm just not in a financial position to do that. That's going to take way too long to recoup my money. And the parts for these things don't even go for that much anyway. So it is what it is. Yeah, man. It looks pretty cool though. I like the car. I like the black. I like the headlights, man. These eBay headlights, man. They look pretty cool. Let me turn them on real quick just to show y'all. Hey, like, look at these, man. Like, these things look badass, bro. But yeah, man. Like, yeah, it looks pretty cool, man. So, you know, y'all follow me. If y'all like what I do, you know, what the hell? They gonna turn off or what? These headlights ain't turning off, man. Come on. Well, let's hope these turn off. So, yeah, I don't know. Anyway, that's pretty much all I have to say right now. As always, if you like COPART rebuild videos, follow my channel. Yeah, there they go. Follow this channel. Yeah, y'all stay strong, stay healthy, and stay inspired. I'm out. Peace.
I study these hoes, I study these niggas.